It's hard to contemplate life without a functioning kettle. We use them for cooking, filling up hot water bottles, and of course making our precious tea and coffee. They're an integral part of our day. It doesn't take too long, though, for the inside of a kettle to get furred up with limescale, a hard yellowish-white mineral deposit which occurs when hot water evaporates and solidifies. It's very important to keep your kettle as free of these mineral deposits as possible, especially in hard water areas, as the furring will gradually slow down the heating process, not to mention spoiling your tea and coffee when you find flakes of limescale floating in them. In this video, we're going to show you how to descale your kettle using vinegar. Vinegar is effective because limescale can be dissolved fairly easily using a solution of mild acid. The most commonly used is white vinegar. To do this, fill the kettle with a solution of equal parts water and vinegar, and let this soak for an hour. After that, boil the kettle, then turn it off and unplug it from the power. Let the water and vinegar mixture sit in the kettle for another 15 to 20 minutes, then throw it away and rinse the kettle thoroughly. This should have gotten rid of most, if not all, of the limescale. If there's a lot of scaling to be removed, you can use a greater ratio of vinegar in the mixture and leave it in the kettle overnight. You may have to rinse the kettle several times to make sure there's no trace of vinegar remaining. Finally, wipe the inside of the kettle with a clean cloth and leave it to dry completely. After drying, boil the kettle with plain water again to get rid of any lingering taste of vinegar. Your kettle now should be descaled and fit for purpose. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And I'm sure you'll enjoy our next video on how to clean hard water stains from a toilet bowl. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.